Hi guys, yo. What's up? I miss you guys. Kahit walang nanonood, I miss you, okay? If you're watching this, I hope you're good. I hope you're healthy. I hope you're doing good in life. Alright. So, ngayon, siguro I'm taking a break. Kasi nag-study na ako. Ngayon lang ako nag-study ulit para sa aming research defense, and I think I'm kinda getting hang of it kasi ginawa ko lang muna is to study what's inside of our manuscript, and I've studied 3 citations again para pag tinanong na ako sa during or recurring defense na, I'll be not natataranta. Madumi pa rin kwarto, as you can see, okay? I know malinis yung nakaraan pero hindi ako nakapag-video kahapon nalinis ngayon hindi na. So anyways, I want to keep this flame or this light above my head na in light, because I wanna keep going forward. May kumakatok ba? Wala. May carpentero sa labas. Anyways, saan na nga tayo? So yun, as I said, I want to keep my match on fire. Kasi I feel great, na-absorb ko na ulit kung ano yung nasa laman ng aming manuscript, or ano yung papers. Hindi na ako sa aming present. Hindi pa ako actually ready sa pag-present, pero I'm kinda getting hang of it. Tubig, wait lang. And gusto ko nang iwasan yung paggamit ko ng, alam niyo na, ng mga bad words. Random thought. So, after this research, I want to work on the album. It's not just it's not just an album. So, it also works on myself. I'm saying, like, I don't work just for an album. I also work for myself, to improving myself as a better person. I've been, wanting this moment. I want to take this moment para maguhin yung sarili ko again, but in a good way na change. I'm done lying to myself. I'm done lying to everybody, and all that bad stuff. I'm tired of using bad words to make myself cool, diba? And now na ito na yung times na nasa big thing na tayo, sa big one na tayo, na papunta na tayo sa end of the world. I need to be a better person. And I just want to be different right now. Not speaking of gender, but I want to be like expressive again. Like, I want to love again. I want to love properly. I want to treat a girl correctly. There's a lot of things that I want to explore, that I want to discover. I want to practice. Even my posture is bad. I want to fix that too. It's been a lot these days. I've been doing, not a good habit thing. I've been into bad habits actually. Like I've been consuming a lot of, consuming a lot of that, diba? So, I just want to change. I want to wake up early again, like 5 a.m. in the morning, and do some push-ups. At some point, I want to be that person again who I was a few years ago. And I'm not saying that I'm not, satisfied or happy of who I am, but it's just like I'm not that complete yet. I'm not winning in life. I have goals and plans, but there's no progress. And I want to be disciplined again to finish and to make progress in life. That's all I want. So that's all I gotta say. It's just, yun lang man siguro. Siguro bukas, I'll do another one of these videos. Sorry if hindi ako naging consistent kasi walang internet dito sa Libertad. And kapag mag-upload ako ng YouTube video, I always go to a house who has a better Wi-Fi, higher internet connection. I go to some Vin's house or PJ's house or whatever. So that's all I gotta say for today. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.